Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to tag anyone in the Instagram comments. So all you need to do is head over to a picture that you have, or it doesn't matter, it may be on a public profile, and all you need to do is open up that picture and select the comment. And once you start writing a comment, all you need to do is find your @ symbol and type in the name of the person you want to tag, for example Street Photo Web. And once you've done that, you just select post. And here, nowadays we've posted our comments, and you see it's tagged with Street Photo App, and if we click on our comment, it will be taken to Street Photo App here. And you can see even the tags on right here. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped you. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good one.